If you want to start live streaming, these are the exact AI tools to ensure the best quality, visuals, structure, and even social media clips automatically. So the first AI tool is the software we're actually going to be streaming on. Now, if you've looked up anything about live streaming before, you've probably heard of OBS, but that learning curve is crazy. Free, but it takes a lot of work. So to remove the learning curve, I got you an all-in-one platform called Riverside. I'm talking about streaming on all platforms: YouTube, Twitch, Facebook, whatever you want to stream on. Top quality video and audio. I'm talking about 4K when it goes up to video, and then when it comes to audio, you get studio quality with their feature AI Magic Audio. And with Riverside, you are producing a show, so you're adding everything from intros to transitions to sounds, everything that you want, lower thirds, everything, they have it. They even have a teleprompter which you can look straight into the camera. This is all in the same platform. So turn on your camera, put on Riverside, you're going to be able to stream instantly. But the AI tools for when the stream is over is going to blow your mind, but we got to talk about that later. Okay, so we have the platform, but what are we going to talk about? This is where AI planning tools come in. So to plan, I got to go into ChatGPT. So you're going to open up ChatGPT and you're going to add this prompt to it, because what it's going to do is give you the topic and the segments for your live stream. So it's going to go something to the effect of, you are a live stream content strategist. I want you to create a live stream with clear segments and ideas that fit my brand and audience. And so what it's going to do is go look at your past chats, and if you don't have any kind of information that it can go, it's going to ask you a few extra questions, right? And it's going to give you an outline, 3 to 5 creative segments, and make sure that it's practical. And as you can see here, it asks further questions of what the goal is, the audience, and even the length of the live stream. So drop that in your ChatGPT and let me know what it says. Now, when you start getting real serious about live streaming, I want you to look into Poppy AI, because this is going to create your full-blown content system. Because the planning that I just showed you with ChatGPT is going to be 10 times better, because you're able to reference some of your old live streams, you're able to look at some of your competitors, and you're able to train the AI without transcribing or going anything crazy. So Poppy AI is going to be a bonus planning tool. Now, live streaming isn't just about what you say, it's about what you see. So let's talk about the visuals of the live stream. Now, if you go on some people's live streams, you're going to see everything from overlays to different graphics, lower thirds, and you could create that all with AI. Now, when we're talking about different overlays and graphics, of course, you could use ChatGPT, Google's Nano Banana, but one thing that I think is going to be the easiest for you is Canva. Because Canva has all these different templates. You literally could put overlay and all the things that you want in your live stream, and it's going to show like hundreds of different templates that you can customize, and using their different AI tools can make it exactly what you want. Now, one thing that's very popular is like intros and transitions when it comes to live streams, and that can be all created with AI. Like, this is my intro that I've done for my live stream, and I created that with VO3. What's great with VO3 is all you have to do is upload a picture and then write a prompt of exactly what you want, and it will do it with sound. Now, remember I told you Canva's really good with graphics, but they also have a video section that has VO3, because VO3 from the Google side could be a little bit expensive. So if you already have a subscription with Canva, you might as well try it over there too. But I do believe the best workflow is inside of Google, because you can make the picture with Nano Banana and then turn that picture into a video of VO3, and it's game over. These tools help you upgrade the look of your stream without needing a whole graphic or video team. So we have our platform, we planned out our live, we have the visuals for our live, now we're done with our live. What do we do with the content? Your live stream doesn't stop when you hit end broadcast. This is where you grow your audience. Remember how I mentioned Riverside in the beginning? Now let me show you inside of Riverside where the magic happens. So what you see here is one of the live streams that I have done. And with AI, it has a show notes or video description if you're thinking about YouTube. Keywords, right? Takeaways, titles, sound bites, and even timestamps. Now, the key to growth when it comes to live streaming is the clips that you make with your live stream. And inside of Riverside, it makes all the social media clips for you. They're all absolutely ready. So you have several clips based off of the live stream and you don't have to do a single thing. It makes snapshots for you that could be really dope, maybe for thumbnails or maybe even your newsletter. Now, the secret weapon to Riverside is this AI co-creator, where you could type in exactly what you want when it comes to your live stream. But if you don't know what to type in, they have different suggestions from thumbnails, magic clips, Instagram caption, or you can go down to the suggestion side, promo trailer, thumbnail, social media image, and much more. So let's see what the promo trailer hits. All right, let's see how this came out that we're going to test out to see, one, how fast ChatGPT 5 is. Is it better? Does it still have them dashes? We're going to test that out. You feel me? Is it just better?
A few moments later.
Crown yourself. Transformation. Concept. Appeal. Hold on. Did it add music? Did it add my intro music? Nah, that's fire. And if you like what it created, you can download it or share it to any of the platforms that you want. One live stream on Riverside can turn into weeks of content. Content for TikTok, Instagram, YouTube Shorts, Facebook, and more, all taken care of. Now, quick recap, then we're talking about the platform we're actually going to stream on. That's going to be Riverside. Planning our live stream is going to be ChatGPT or Poppy AI. When we're talking about the visual side, we're talking about ChatGPT, Canva, Nano Banana, and VO3. And everything about content creation, the repurposing, we're going right back into Riverside. Now, if you're serious about live streaming this year, these are the AI tools that is not only going to help you be consistent, but save you so much time. Now, I'm going to put the link in the description so you can have them, but there was this AI tool, Poppy AI, that I said that was going to be your whole content system, that I'm going to give you a video so you can see what I'm talking about.